Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Nene Turi. Here I'm passionate about teaching you about my skincare journey, my body scrub, facial scrub, skincare products, personal development, and kind of business. So if you are stopping by, thank you for spending your day with me. Back here, if you are curious, that's Kobe Bryant. You already know that. So here I got my own bowl. Inside this bowl there is oil in it. And here are my stuff. You'll be wondering what is all this about today. So today I'm gonna share with you how I mix my own hyaluronic acid. See that? And retinol. So I got my own retinol in a capsule. So I wanna mix the two and share with you my followers, my family here. So here is the capsules. And I got all this one Marshall, CJ Maxx Marshall. So before I dive into why I'm mixing this together, I just want to talk about how does the retinol work and why it's good for your skin. So the retinol is the family member for vitamin A, simple and short. So the retinol, which is this one, boosts your collagen production for your skin. That make you look puffy. You see that now? You reduce the inflammation, prevents acne scarring, like the scarf, you know that. Would help unlock pores and treat acne, and reduce the pigmentation. Lastly, it prevents like fine lines and wrinkles. We don't get time for fine lines and wrinkles. Those are before, but not by now. Yeah. So the hyaluronic acid, which you already know, hydro means water, which we have water all over our body, which made up by 85%. Doctors and nurses, correct me if I'm wrong. And this one, since it's hydro means water, so this one boosts your water production for like the collagen, boost your collagen, yes, by giving you the skin elasticity. Yes, skin elasticity, like make it bounce. That plump skin, that's it, this one, make it bounce. And you also reduce the fine lines and wrinkle and hydrate the skin. You already know hydro mean hydrates. So now, so what is the difference between this one? Well, hydro mean water. So this one hydrates the skin. Yeah, hydrate the skin. Why this one, the retinol, slow but sustain skin hydration into the endemic, like preventing the skin lines, slow down the acne, make it look grow, prevent wrinkles. So those are the only thing, the two differences there. You understand? So let me just dive in here and do my video and get out of here. I talk too much. So right here, this is my scissors. I'm cutting it now. And squeeze it. Squeeze it. And squeeze it. So that's the one I'm squeezing. So I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm just right here. And I'm just gonna take my hydro water and just pour it in there. You see that? I'm just pouring it in there. And then so the mixture right here, I don't want to pour you though, but see the mixture. That's it, because it's just a water and the water take over the serum. So then I just mix it like that, simple as it. Not hard, nothing difficult. So after I mix it like that, and I'm just gonna pour it right here. You know that this is my own bowl, pour you right there, or I'll just use the same thing and pour you right there. So let me go show you how I'm gonna pour it by bringing my own funnel. I will be back. Why? Because of the hyaluronic acid right here. And then this is the result. And I'm before I apply my label. So that's it. And here is my label right here. Shada, see that? So this one will last me for long, and these are good combination. Even the dermatologist, even the certified dermatologist, the doctor, the skincare doctor, they can testify and swear that this combination between retinol and hyaluronic acid is the best combination for skincare, and is one of the top 5 skincare ingredients, because you can see the price.